This eggplant tastes better than meat, easy and delicious. For this recipe, we will need 4 eggplants. Cut these eggplants into very thin strips. Tell me where you're watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipes. Now, in a bowl with cold water, add the eggplants. Cover them with the help of a plate and let them rest for 15 minutes. After this time, remove the eggplants and pat them dry with a cloth. You guys, this recipe is very easy to make and so delicious. I'm sure everyone will like the result. Now, in a bowl with 3 beaten eggs, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and stir it. Next, dip our eggplants into this mixture. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving our recipe. So like the video and write in the comments, "I love eggplant." Then into the breadcrumbs and repeat the process with all of the eggplants. It's important that all the parts of the eggplants are well coated. Now add oil to a pan. And when the oil is very hot, add our eggplants to fry. Make sure to make this recipe at home, and then come back to tell me how it turned out. We would love to know. After the eggplants are fried, remove them from the pan and drain the excess oil. And our recipe is ready. Now you just have to enjoy it. I really hope you liked it. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.